Mwaki na mayumate tini majetie kuoneka riri twerekeire githurano kinene mweri wa kanana. Ciama ciothe na nginya ngwataniro cia giuteti ni cihandite gukayukia utongoria. Utongoria ukonekana njira ya riothe meandikithietie taiki ya kura guthurana, na nikio teti majetie kampeni ya kuria rumiriri ao othe moe kura.
Na tukirudi nyumbani, kila mmoja wetu aende ahakikishe ya kwamba jirani yako, rafiki yako, mtoto wako, mtoto wa jirani ameenda kuchukua kipande na kadi ya kura.
Kiama kia Jubilee nakio kiri na itanya ria kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu gutigirira ariothe mamanyitaga mbaru ni mathurana.
But at the very minimum, we are targeting 5 million voters, new voters. You know, that is new voters. Those who are registered in terms of holding IDs, but don't have voters cards, have not registered as voters.
Miaho ya eri ya giuteti irenda kuongerera muigana wa aria mamanyitaga mbaru niguo makahotana githurano na rita ria mbere. Unyitaniri wa atongoria a mwena wa mung'ethaniro utanyite kuhagura thirikari ya Jubilee na njira ya kunyitithania atongoria kuma icigo itiganite.
If you look at this new grouping within the opposition, it is the same people that we defeated in 2013, you know. So for them, the decision they were making, especially yesterday, was whether to come and be defeated together or to be defeated individually.
Thutha wa mutatara wa andikithia aikia akura guthira muthia wa mweri twerekeire, riu wira uria gukorwo ho ni wa gutigirira aria mari na kura ni meyumiria na guthurana mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu.
By the 16th of February, you will, with some certain degree of accuracy, know which coalition is going to win the next election, because it is only registered voters who vote.
Andu milioni 9 matire na ibande uguo matine na uhoti wa guthurana, na IEBC itanyite gutigirira othe ni moya kura thutha wa kuoya ibande. Kamiti ino ithurano na mihaka itanyite kwandikithia aikia a kura milioni 22 ukinya muthia wa mweri turorete. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.